Hello?
Hello, get bloody hell. Why you? I will cut your علاقات.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
I speaking Somali government and I will cut your علاقات. Oh,
Why,
your
why,
علاقات.
why, brother? Why, brother?
Because why you allow your country Musabihi?
Who's Musabihi?
Musabihi here and you know Musabihi?
No. Wrong country, wrong country.
There's no because you are Guinea.
No. We are Guinea-Bissau.
You have another Guinea?
Yes, we are Guinea-Conakry. We have Guinea-Bissau.
Oh my God. Sorry. You're not Musabihi not there?
No. Musabihi not there.
No coming in Guinea?
No.
You sure?
No, brother. Yes.
One man like me is coming there?
No one coming there.
Somali like me.
No, we know Somalia.
Very tall, here and
Brother, we know Somalia. No Musabihi there.
no Musabihi there.
Yes.
Okay, I will back to you علاقات. Sorry.
Thank you very much.
علاقات 24 hours cut, but again, what happened? You have another. You have any contact?
Yeah.
Another Guinea?
Yeah. Call Guinea-Conakry. Guinea-Conakry.
And you what? You Guinea-Bissau?
Guinea-Bissau.
Okay. وريا إلى عود معها كمان حيل كوتشر معها هو حيل كوتشر كين بسدة شيركة وشر تدولك تاسعت أباركور تاسعت تمسبح تجي وكوكو من مسكين هذا بسدة عند هذا كوتشر سا وما يقول ويا بسد يا كين بسد يا وكوا والقدم تاي وكوا وشر اسكت أنا هذا إيش كده أنا هذا halka su'aal kaas waxa shaqada kale waxa shaqini new baba kini inuu shalayso hello you you are bloody hell new baba kini I know you why you Musabihi there
Who is speaking?
hello
Yes, who is speaking?
you are new baba kini
Yes, we are New Baba Guinea.
why Musabihi there I cut your علاقات now I cut your علاقات
Who is cutting my علاقات?
in Somali government
What happened?
because Musabihi there.
No. No one is here.
You are African. I am African.
No. Sorry, brother. No one is here.
You are not African.
We are African, but no one from Africa here. We don't have another country. Here.
You're Shakal Africa, but your country not Africa.
Yes, yeah. We are nearby.
You're near Australia.
Yes.
You're Shakal. Sorry. No, there's Musabihi.
No.
أنا اعتراف بيستي والله به سؤال وربس سؤال شر يا إلهي يا غان حكي لك هلا يا وين بايدون تجلس يمكن إمسك صحيح نو كنا بيساو نيجي باب كنا ما ما حقين الكريه ما حقين بسم كنا تشير ما وروح هم حياة كنا قربون بري هذا ما نيا سوق Hello. Yeah, you Guinea?
Yes, Guinea.
Bloody hell, you Guinea? How many million?
We are.
You are 10 million?
Yes.
Are you 5 million or 3 million or 10 million?
More than 5 million.
Oh, I know you.
Yeah.
Why? I cut your علاقات. Bloody hell.
Why you cut my علاقات?
Because why you allow Musabihi there?
Brother, 30 years we don't have علاقات with you.
Huh?
We don't have علاقات with you for 30 years. You know, 30 years.
You know, African Union, when they coming, we are haq علاقات and salam علاقات, you know, also.
Okay. What we can do now?
I know haq. Another time, no haq. If you come in, OAU, when they come, the OAU, no haq, no more haq. No more salam.
No.
I can't really help you.
No.
No more.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that, brother.
No more haq.